Hi guys, just want to show you how you redo a Thetford Bailey Unicorn pump. We call it a Thetford for your toilet. If it doesn't want to work, you press it, it doesn't want to work. So I've already repaired it and I checked the video online. So if you open, you just take this one on the side, it's just a little sticker, and you just grab a knife there and you open it up, and here in the front you just have to press a little button here to release that lock nut there, that one there. Just to release it, you just press a knife or a screwdriver and then you unlock that front piece. It locks in like this. Let me just show you. It locks in like this, so you just press it in, then it unlock, you open it up, and then you unscrew the two screws here, one there and one there. So I've already unscrewed it. And then you take your pump out. You have to press it backwards, then it comes out. You wangle your pump out there, all the way out. You see your pump will come out, that blue. So this pump of ours wasn't working, and when you put it on, you can see the light was dim and bright. So the pump wasn't pumping, but if you press that little button there, you can see the light was just flicking on and off. Then you know there's power, but the pump is not pumping. So I was checking a lot of videos and they say this pump get stuck with all that blue toilet stuff you throw in. This stuff, the Aqua Gym Blue, the original from Australia or whatever, and then it produced a lot of black things like this, and it clot this little engine up. So what we did is we took off this pipe